And before we start our DIY window maintenance, make sure you have the right tools. Here's what to keep in your toolbox. I believe you can buy most of them in the local market. First, we need our screwdrivers. We can use them to tighten loose handles, locks, and hinges. And then we need this kind of caulking gun. It can seal gaps and block out air and moisture. And we need this kind of putty knife. It is great for scraping off the old sealant or applying filler. And the lubricant is also necessary to lose dark tracks or squeaky hinges. And of course, we need this kind of window cleaning supplies. A soft cloth, squeegee, and mild glass cleaner help you clear the glass and clear and streaky free. And of course, we can use this kind of weather stripping material. This seals small gaps around the frame and to stop draft. The most important, we need these safety gloves and goggles. These protect your hands and eyes while working.